Hello, my royalty. I am coming to you guys today with another wig review. That's right, another wig review. This wig review is by Ywigs. This is the box that it came in. This is their info right here, just in case you guys are interested. All right, so what did this wig come with? It came with wig cap, adjustable straps, and it came with this cute little bag, Ywigs. All right, guys, so let's get right into this review. At this time, if you're interested in more reviews like this, hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, hit that notification. I am not sponsored. All my reviews are strictly honest, and I am a consumer just like you. I don't get wigs sent to me free. So if this is something you're interested in, hit the like button and stay tuned. All right, my royalty, let's get the stuff out the way, okay? So I ordered a 12-inch fake scalp wig, right? And got the wig. I ordered it on January 24th. I got it on January 30th. The wig cost $139. It's a 13 by 6 parting space. And just so you guys can see that I am not telling tales, I know it's real small, but I will leave it up here so you guys can see 12 inches that I ordered. This is the wig. Okay, I already wore it, okay? Look at how short this is in the back. So you guys can see. It's about 8 inches and 12 inches in the front. It's a bob wig. It's not 12 inches. So I got the wig on January 30th. I'm here in Miami, so it was Super Bowl weekend, so I needed the wig, even though it was not what I ordered. I contacted Ywigs and I spoke to a young lady because they do have their phone number. They did answer the phone right away, and she said she will send this information to whomever. I told them I already wore the wig, so the bob wig that I saw for 8 inches is $99. I paid $139. I don't mind getting refunded the difference. I already have the wig. I'm gonna keep it. Matter of fact, I love the hair so much, I will go ahead and order another wig. You guys can apply that refund to that. Boom. I get an email from Omar. This dude or her, I don't know who Omar is, but anyway, they're gonna tell me that they, you know, looked at the order. It was 12 inches they sent me, but sometimes when they're out of stock, they send the bob wigs, but the bob wig is 12 inches, so they can't give me my refund. Horrible customer service. I sent pictures of the back, the front, so they know I'm not lying. I told them I will order the 12 inches, you know, but refund me, whatever. No refund. So Ywigs get horrible customer service. If you're into customer service, this is not the vendor for you. Again, if you are into customer service, this is not the vendor for you. They suck. They suck. They suck. I sent pictures. I will post the pictures in the link so you guys can see how short the wig is. I have no reason to lie. You know what I'm saying? So I will never ever buy from them again. So number one, off the back, horrible customer service. Now let's get into this wig that I do have. The hair is very beautiful. I got gypped my money, maybe like $40. I got gypped. So yeah, I'm kind of upset about that. But let's get right into the wig. So the wig is their fake scalp. This is their fake scalp wig. It has 2 adjustable combs on the side, one in the back, a nice big one in the back actually, and it already has a strap on it. I love the strap. It's nice and sturdy. What I like about this, I already cut the lace. Like I said, I wore it already, so it's already cut. I'm just going to install it for you guys. What I like about this wig is that the fake scalp is behind the hairline. So you see that? I really like that. All right, so let's get into this wig. I did wash it because I had a lot of glue on the lace. So I am going to install this wig. So just sit back and watch as I install this wig for you guys. Alright guys, so I just went and cleaned up the front. This is what the lace looks like. It is pretty good. It blends very well with my skin. The only thing I don't like about the construction of this wig is that the adjustable straps that I need very much is where my ear tab is. So I'm probably gonna have to go in and cut that and replace it so that my ears can, the ear tabs can go over my ears. But just for now, you know, I'm just going to install this wig so you guys could see. Do know, you know, sometimes you have to really do a number on these wigs to customize it to fit your head, fit your liking, things of that nature. So a lot of times it's like destroying the wig to make it look good. That is, I'm noticing, is something that I've been having to do. So this glue that I've been trying, it is, it's potent. It's real potent. I'm going out tonight. Like I said, I live in Miami, so I sweat a lot. I am 50 and I have like that heat situation, so I perspire a lot right here. So I am going to go ahead and use my waterproof. It's called Salon Pro 30. It's your lace wig bond extreme hold. This is what it looks like. Okay, she's potent. She smells like gasoline. Don't take this on an airplane, guys. I did that and it expands and literally pretty much explodes and gets on everything. If you try to put it in plastic, you won't get it out. So it's already tacky. You see that? It's kind of gets on everything. So it's very messy and you have to be very careful. It has a very strong smell. So I'm not going to put this on my hair. My wig is way past my hairline. So I'm just going to go in with the brush and just put it like so. Just a little bit in light strokes. And I'm doing this in sections. And yeah, so you know how you get glue and you wait for it to be tacky? This already has like a tacky texture. So that's one section. So now I'm going to go ahead and pull my lace over that glue. I'm going to be very gentle and okay. And I'm just going to take my rag, the end of my comb here, and I'm just going to press the glue in. And like I said, I'm doing this in sections. This works for me. I know a lot of people can just spray along the whole hairline and make it work. And now I'm gonna put, there's a little lace lifting up. I'm gonna now put some more underneath this part because I didn't come too down with the glue on my skin. And with this, you have to really make sure there's nothing in the way, guys. This thing is potent. So yeah, so there I am. Oh, see, I got some in my hair. That is what I was not trying to do. All right, so now I'm gonna bring this little piece over the glue. And I'm gonna use the back of my comb now to hold it down. I think I'm gonna use a little heat on it just to dry it up. So that's what I'm doing. Guys, see, I'm just holding it down. There we go. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other sides now. Like I said, this glue is very potent. I would not put this on my hairline. I'm just gonna put this here, a little bit on the ear tabs. Okay, and yeah. So I just got, you have, like I said, you have to use the brush This is what it looks like when it comes out. So you see how it's like real tacky? So yeah, it's just, it can get all over the place. It's just super tacky. So it's really messy actually. So you have to just work this very gently, and this is what I do. I have a little hair there, so I'm gonna keep this as far away from my hair as possible. And I do recommend an adhesive removal for this glue. Like I said, it's very potent. I would not, so like I said, I'm doing it in sections. It's getting all over the place. I would not have my cute little outfit on when I'm applying this adhesive. It's very good. My wig, like I said, was on for like 3 days. I might have put too much because I'm seeing right here it's getting a little white. Let's see if that melts away with the heat. Right there it's a little white, and I don't like that. So it looks like the less you use, the better, because like I said, this is a little white right here. Okay, so oops, there goes my dryer. So now I'm just gonna apply a little bit. Again, I'm doing this in sections. I would make sure that the hair is pulled all the way back, because again, you do not want this glue to get in your hair. So now I'm going to lift this up and do down here, right there. I love that it's already tacky. I love it. It has its pros and cons because it's messy, but I love that it's already like that. So now I'm going to just gently place this here on the sides. It has a very strong smell, but I love this glue. This is my go-to glue, okay? So I'm gently pressing in. Excuse me, guys. So I don't like that right here is white. I don't like that. I put too much. So I'm gonna kind of just, I don't know, I'm gonna have to cover that with concealer. So yeah, this is how the side looks with the glue. All right, guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go finish the other side and pretty much style this off camera to save some time. All right, guys, I am back with this wig after styling it. As you can see, it's very beautiful, a lot of parting space, and yeah, it looks pretty natural. The hairline, I did have to go in and pluck it a little bit. So yeah, this is it. I really love it. I really wish I would have gotten what I wanted. And I'm like this, people make mistakes. It's a business. You know, I totally get it. But my thing is, your customers that are supporting you, you have to support them. So lace is lifting up a little bit here. So I have to go in and do that with a little freeze spray. But I just want you guys to see the hairline. I did go ahead and pluck it. It looks really good, really natural. So yeah, Now, this glue, I would not really recommend because of its tackiness. As you guys can see, I have to go in and clean this up. It gets tacky underneath if you use too much and it starts to flake. So I would not recommend that. Maybe for like the air tabs where you need a little stronger, I recommend it. But I don't know if you guys see right here, it started to flake up. Maybe I used too much. But I wanted to just tell you guys I really love the fake scalp. The parting space on this is so nice. I didn't go in and pluck anything here. So yeah, this is their bob wig, fake scalp Ywigs, and yeah, I just want you guys to see how beautiful it is. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. I am coming to you guys on how to live a royal life on a budget. This also includes customer service. You know, royalty is a lifestyle, it's a mindset. So, you know, when you buy from these vendors, I want you to also take part of their customer service. See if they respond to you. See if they're contacting you if things are a little slower than normal. And, you know, let us know what's going on. Customer service is just as important as hair quality to me. But this here is very beautiful. I probably will go again and order from them and see how it works with the 12-inch. I really don't recommend them because of their customer service, so I'm not giving them 5 stars. I am giving this hair and this wig 5 stars, but as far as the company itself, they are horrible. All right, guys, live a royal life, be blessed, and thank you for watching. Bye.